Hi, my name is Aaron Toby. I'm from Dallas, Texas, and this is my CS50 final project. The inspiration for this was that I used to work for UPS, and this is a simulation of a type of automation that's used in many different logistics companies to sort packages or really any kind of thing that needs sorting. It's called a tilt tray sorter, and how it works is it has a series of trays that go around in a loop, and when they reach the destination that it's trying to sort the piece to, the tray drops and the piece falls down a chute. The type of sorter that this is simulating is a dual density tilt tray, which means you have an inside and an outside loop. So there's actually two trays next to each other that are going around and both drop independently, which makes it have a higher throughput. This application was built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And that's what I had the most interest in learning, so that's what I used to build it. It takes a series of inputs and simulates the performance over a given period of time of the machine if you use those inputs. And those inputs are the number of inductors per platform, and you have up to 4 platforms here. An inductor is the person who puts the pieces on the sorter. And then the sweeper is per line, and you have 4 lines here, this, and this. The sweeper is the person who takes them off. And the reason why they're important is because it won't drop if the destination is full. So someone has to sweep it, which means they put a new container there so that the pieces can drop there again. And you can simulate different types of sorters. Sometimes they have 2 platforms, sometimes they have 4. Sometimes the mail is fed to the platform. So for example, platform 2 would only have these chutes here. Sometimes it would have the whole inside. So you can select different inputs here from this drop-down menu that are the different types of sorters you can use. When the simulation starts running, it's going at 4 minutes per second, and these numbers are going up, and that represents the number of pieces that have fallen on each one. And then when these destinations are full, they turn purple. And at first they turn white quickly because the people are sweeping it, but there are a lot of purples now because 2 sweepers is not enough. They can't keep up. And realistically, that is what would happen if you had this number of people. So down here, there's a chart of how many pieces it simulated for each minute, and it got 13,193 in the hour. But you see it slowed down here significantly when you had all those purples because all those chutes were full. This is my dual density tilt tray sorter simulation, and this has been my CS50 final project. Thank you.